Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to link PAN card in PayPal. If you're using PayPal in India, linking your PAN card is important for account verification, complying with tax regulations, and receiving international payments. Before you begin, make sure your PayPal account is verified and that the name on your PayPal account matches the name on your PAN card and your linked bank account. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal website or the PayPal app. Now sign into your PayPal account. Then go to Account Settings or Profile Settings. Here, look for the option to update PAN card details or link PAN. Now enter your PAN card number carefully. Then make sure the PAN number is correct and matches the one linked to your bank account. After that, review all the information to ensure there are no typing mistakes. Now click Save or Submit. Then wait for PayPal to verify your PAN details. If the verification is successful, you'll receive a confirmation that your PAN card has been linked to your PayPal account. If you receive an error, double-check that your name and PAN details match your official records exactly. If you're still unable to link your PAN card, contact PayPal customer support through the Help Center or email support for further assistance. Once your PAN card is linked successfully, you can continue using eligible PayPal features with fewer account restrictions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.